Good morning, dear students. Welcome to today's maths class. In our chapter How Heavy, How Light, our today's topic is word problems. To solve word problems involving kg and gram and their addition and subtraction, we have to recognize the operation to be performed to solve that particular word problem. So let's begin with our first example. Our first question is, Amma purchased 75 kg 975 gram of oranges and 57 kg 855 grams of mangoes. What is the amount of fruits purchased by him? So let's see the solution. We will write weight of oranges 75 kg 975 grams, weight of mangoes 57 kgs 855 grams, and we need to find out the total quantity of fruits bought by Amar. So let's see how to do the working in this particular problem. Okay, children? So first we will write kg and gram in two different columns. Our first amount is 75 kg and 975 grams. And our second amount is, let's start from the right hand side, 5, 5, 8, 855 kg and 57, 855 grams, and 57 kgs. Now what we have to do? Yes, as I told you, we need to recognize the particular operation, whether we have to add it or whether we have to subtract. Now what's written here? What is the amount of fruits purchased by him? So what we have to do here? Yes, we have to add. We have to find the total amount of fruits bought by Amar. So we need to add both the quantities to find our answer. So let's add. 5 plus 5 is 10. So 0 will be here and 1 will be carried over. And here we have 7 plus 5 plus 1, that gives us 13. So 3 will be here and 1 will be here. Again you see here we are having 9 plus 8 and 1. We have to add 1 also to that. So we get 18 and 1 will be carried over to the next column. Please don't write 1 here. If you write 1 here, that will be wrong. You need to carry it to the kg column. Okay, because that is the last column of gram. So here the carried over will be taken here. So let's add this. This is 5 plus 7 plus 1, that again gives us 13, and we carry over again 1 is carried over here and we get 13. That's right, very good children. And we write here kg, that is our answer is 133 kg and 830 grams. So what's our answer? This our final answer is total quantity of fruits bought by Amar is 133 kg and 830 grams. Now let's solve another example. Here you can see, children, our next question. Mr. Sharma bought 2 kg 800 grams of apples. He gave 5 apples weighing 1 kg 250 gram to his daughter. What is the amount of apples left with him? So let's see our solution. So first we write total weight of apples. What was the amount of apples bought by him originally? Then we write what amount of apple he has given to his daughter. Weight of apples given to daughter is 1 kg 255 gram, and this is what we need to find out, quantity of apples left with him. So let's see how to do the working. So as I told you children, you need to understand the operation that you have to do, whether you have to subtract or whether you have to add. So here as you can see, left word is coming, and all of you know that if this type of word left, more or less, these type of words are there in the question, that means we have to subtract. So let's write down. I have written kg and gram in two different columns. Let's begin with our first quantity. Our first quantity is 2 kg 800 grams, and our second quantity is 1 kg 255 grams. So you can see that as this quantity is larger, we will first write this quantity. Let's write 800 in grams column, and let's write 2 in kg column. Very nice children. Now we go to the next one, that is this quantity 1 kg 255 gram. Beginning with the ones place, I write like this: 552 255 grams, and kg I write 1 kg. Okay children, now we will subtract. Let's start our subtraction. 0 minus 5, as you know, we can't do it. We have to write 10 here. As we have borrowed from this 0 becomes 9. And where from have we borrowed this? We have borrowed from here. So this becomes 7. Okay children, now let's subtract the grams column. 10 minus 5 will be 5. All of you know that. 9 minus 5 will be 4. And 7 minus 2 will be 5. Very nice. And then we shift to our next column, kg column. As we have not borrowed any number from this particular digit, we don't have to cut or reduce it. So we will subtract as it is. 2 minus 1 is 1 will come here. So we get 1 kg 545 gram as our answer. So quantity left with Mr. Sharma after giving to his daughter, after giving 5 apples to his daughter, is 1 kg 545 grams, and that's our final answer. Okay children, I think you have understood how to solve what problems involving gram and kg and their subtraction and addition. I think you will be able to solve the problems on your own. Thank you so much. That will be all for this video.